Beautiful pass. Beautiful first touch. You can't be pushing the ball running. If you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. Now, it's easy for teams to go and score. This is the left back, this is the right back. The winger is coming here to collect. Coming to go with your man, Mpanagiti. Go with your man. Go with your man. Sleeping on duty. Sleeping on duty. This Putu. Beautiful pass. Beautiful cross. Beautiful save. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chippa United 1. Brilliant formation. I was impressed by Chippa in this game. Brilliant formation, brilliant tactic. I'm going to show you why in Shoganjal. It's what we want to see. I listened to Zaboma Case in Abo Obi College, right? Another team that impressed me this season was Yamazu. Before Ngene came in, one thing that was interesting yesterday between the Pirates and Obi College, one team was celebrating a changing room. Another team was crying a changing room. Not a nice thing. Not a nice thing. Now let's start. Chiefs playing their formation 4-2-3-1. And then Chippa United, they played a 4-3-3. I'm going to show you what was nice about their formation when they don't have the ball. It changes. Remember, when you have the ball, when you don't have the ball, most teams change formation. And it. Hey, Mpanagiti, when you get a star. Now, the 4 Chiefs, 2 central, double pivot. Then you have Upartman playing as a half 10. Then Uvilagas playing as a half 10 on the other side. Uvilagas is not used to playing as a half 10. I'll show you. Alasha corner wants to move all over, but you need to keep discipline when you play. Guma half 10, Guma half pocket, right? You need to keep discipline. Chippa. The 3, then the 3 in the midfield. I'll show you another clip. Of both teams, how they set up. 4-3-3. Chippa United. Another clip of the setup. Now, let me take it back. Want you to watch Obrigado. Want you to watch Obrigado. Iporaliza gupi. Look, Uzala. That's why it is not used to playing there. You have to keep, you have to be disciplined. Space sack, it is nice space sack. Yes, sometimes it happens where you move. It happens when you have the ball. Yeah, let's go. Now, Chippa United, very disciplined. It didn't give Chiefs a lot, right? Even though Chiefs had chances as well. Chippa United pressing. Left winger, striker, right winger. So they are not wingers, but a right or a left attack. 4-3, the 3 in the midfield. Chiefs still having their double half 10s. Now let me show you the chances that both teams had in the first 5 minutes. 4-3-3. But I want you to see what happens here. This is the left back, this is the right back. Now, there's Buzguti, where the 2 other midfielders. This is the midfield. Watch what happens here. Now they have the ball. What they did is they pushed the 2 fullbacks. The right back, the left back. Baba Pusha, Bangena go midfield. And then the other midfielders that were here, Uyelo, Nangomunyela. This was actually a good idea. Let me take it back. This was actually a good idea. what ends up happening, you have the wingers, ne? You have the wingers being here and le enzansi. You have the winger here, you have the winger there. Angithi. The two just stay in the middle. The left full back, the right back, and the left back. Now, I hope Tolile, guys. What happened is the right back and the left back are pushing bangena phakathi in the midfield, and then the two midfielders are push baya phambili close to the strikers. Now, Chippa has the chance here to go and score, but great tackle here. Great tackle, Chiefs wins it back. One first touch, beautiful touch. Now go and score, Mfanagiti. Go and score. You push the ball too much. You can't be pushing the ball, ganing, and then you are exposing the ball. If you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. Beautiful pass, beautiful first touch. You can't be pushing the ball, ganing. If you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. Now, Chippa on the other hand, let me come this side. Chippa, Kaizer Chiefs on the other hand, playing a high line. They were playing a high line in this game. I don't know why, but that's what they decided to do. There's nothing wrong with playing a high line, but I have a problem with defenders not wanting to defend. Defenders playing an offside trap. Playing an offside trap and a high line is two different things. What McCarthy does here, he plays an offside trap. Instead of going in a striker, he wants to keep Eli. You can't do that. Especially if the person that had the ball, had time to pass. Now umunye ke ukuyinyiba abafethu. If you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. If you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. You know the defender's coming on your right hand side. So the ball must be on your left hand side, sliding up to the left, not in the middle, not on the right hand side. Because if it's there, the defender can tackle. But if the ball is here, it's very difficult for him to touch the ball, because you can always put your foot here to 20 penalty. But if the ball is or is slightly to the right foot, then let me show you the Chippa tactic in full motion, right? Keeper has the ball. This is the left back. This is the right back. He play the ball in the middle. Look at the winger. This is the midfielder. This is the midfielder. He's the guy that scores. This was the midfielder, but when they had the ball, they would push up next to the defenders. Next to the defenders. There's the winger here. There's the winger there. Sleeping on duty, they are attacking in numbers. You leave a few defenders at the back. But even the Chiefs, I'll show you, even the Chiefs, when they had chances when they won the ball in the middle, they just didn't capitalize. This tactic or this formation, Chippa, it's a very good one, but it's also dangerous, because if you don't keep the ball, guys, and if you lose the ball in dangerous areas, it's easy for teams to go and score. This is the left back, this is the right back. The winger is coming here to collect. Winger, the midfielder was here, the striker was there, there's another guy there. Sharp. Now, if they win the ball here, we are in trouble. They win it, Chiefs winner, but they don't capitalize. Obrigado that side. Agaibonanga le run there. Let me show you another clip. Another clip where Chiefs could have scored. Chiefs could have scored. They win the ball, counter press, Lana, counter attack. Obrigado. Could have done better. Opartman in this game, I think he had like 3 or 4 chances. must improve on his finishing in the preseason. Guys, as a professional player, there's no rest. I go to your rest. If you're going to rest, you take these 2 weeks. Don't go about peace by a World Cup. This was Chiefs. Chiefs. You take 2 weeks rest, then you start training. You not good to when you train. You are just doing keeping fit. No, you work on your weaknesses. You work on your finishing, your heading. You work on all those things. We definitely need VAR next season. Before Chippa scored, they had a chance on the left-hand side. I don't know what they saw, but most of their chances were on the left-hand side. Winger comes in here. Now, go with your man, Mpanagit. Go with your man. Go with your man. Sleeping on duty. Sleeping on duty. Timing of goalkeeper Lapaya, it was a bit off. Yes, the youngster. Mara Revrila, he needs help. Our referees need help, guys. Chiefs are playing a high line, but our referees need help. I don't think Nae he took the right angle or he ran in the right angle. For me, it would have been good if he came this side because he's running straight and it's difficult for you to see. This was not a handball. Handball. This was not a handball. But our referees, they do need assistance from VAR. The only goal of the game, ball rotation. If you rotate the ball, you will find a space eventually. Ball was a throw-in from the left-hand side. It goes to the right. And it touches the person or Selainini, the ball comes back. Space is here. Now it Chiefs. Why are you playing? Why? I hate defenders who don't want to defend. Yeah? We are trying to play an offside trap. Awamna sugar. Pagat inside. So simple. Why are you trying to play an offside trap? Why? Hold the line. Say hold the line. This was not even a straight line. This was not even a straight line. Awabana. Eh? Boy making his debut. Man, let me take it back. I want that angle. I want that angle. Why are you trying to play an offside trap? Ball comes in here. There's the man. Yeah? Okay, he's too late. Why are you doing this? You don't know what's happening behind you. Why you fuluk chopela? My man. Go with the man. Go with the runner. Yeah? Because he's not offside. I think this is poor coaching. Right? It comes from the bench. It comes from training ground. We're going to do this. We hold the line up, but it's poor from Abu Mikel. Another chance, Chippa United. Now I understand why Ukwinyipa they let him go. Pirates let him go. Hey, my friends, the Pirates was shy. Ball from the right to the left hand side. I'm tired. You see this is Ukros here. He's not playing offside trap. He's just holding the line. This is beautiful. But here he recovers very well. But what I said, let me take it back. What I said earlier, don't expose the ball. Don't expose the ball. Don't expose the ball. Run with him. Don't stop. This is good. Ukshile mbanagiti angithi makabhayiza you're gonna recover and win the ball. Uyabhayiza angithi naye. You see where the ball mbanagiti. You are exposing the ball. You are exposing the ball. Do not expose the ball. You expose the ball, you expose yourself. Chippa United was brilliant in this game. When I watched this game, when I analyzed it, yo ngajabula ngaphakathi akwabona umntwana makabona ama-sweet abona i-ice cream. Yeah, this is what I enjoy, guys. This is what I enjoy. Just watch this. Remember, this is the right back. I-Chiefs yenzani? Sleepy. Yo, bafethu. Good save there. Good save there. Umntango ushaya target. Good save by the keeper there. Let me take it back. They are sleepy. I wouldn't, let me not say sleepy. Tingathi sleepy. This was a great move. Uyovala space, uyamiyeka. No communication whatsoever. Angithi, sharp. Makes a run. Now, our captain doesn't know what to do. Because there's two now. He can see ukuthi this guy is making a run. But also there's a striker there. Angithi, yeah, this was beautiful. Beautiful from Ichipa. Beautiful. They need to keep uTruth there. But you never know phela with Ichipa mpengezi ukuthi uzoyenza. Second half, Chiefs got an early chance. Could have scored. Brilliant save there by the keeper. Let's start now. For me, hey guys, I don't like youngsters in big teams. I don't, because big teams, for me, you have to win. There's no other way. You have to win trophies. They must go there, get experience, come back. You know, just like in Real Madrid, you must get youngsters that are all ready to win. Yeah, Real Madrid on the other hand is just a different story. The commotion call, but that's how me favor call. There's about Barcelona on the other hand who are able to give young players a chance. Yeah, two different things, right? But I just prefer it the other way. So each is in this game, they just gave youngsters a run. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. This put. Beautiful pass. Beautiful cross. Beautiful save. Great save there by the keeper. He was going to his left-hand side. But shy on his right-hand side. Beautiful reaction. This was beautiful reaction. Going to the left. Coming to the right-hand side. Decision making. Skaba greedy mfana kithi man. Hey man, be greedy man. They play a beautiful ball, beautiful first touch, passes space in. Now, mfana kithi, pass abanye abantwana. Hey. Why ungaphasa abanye abantwana? Why nifuna ukushayina nodwa? Dude. Man. Indoda. Umntwana is making a run there. He's making a run. There's two other guys coming into this space when allow ufuna ukungena khona. What's the simple pass? The simple thing to do is to pass. There's no one here. Pass the ball, dog. Pass the ball. Because ayikho lento ufuna ukuyenza. Suka. Bola le Eastern Cape. Ukwayiba was loaned from Orlando Pirates back to Ichipa. You need to work on your finishing, my man. This off-season, don't relax, mfana. You need to work on your finishing. Because bazokushaya Orlando, you can't do these things in Orlando. Orlando, you had 2 chances in the first half. This is the third one. You need to work on your finishing, mfana. You can't do this thing in Orlando. Orlando, laphaya Amstel, hey. Final clip, bese ngiyayivala with one of the things that I've always said in these videos. As a striker, always run to the first pole. When you run here, udonsa the defenders. Udonsa ama defender. Space siyavuleka la. Space masivuleka, you always your teammates azoba khona. Great pass there by Serino. I wish Serino angabuyela ku-Sundowns, even if it's just for one season. But unfortunately for i-Chiefs la kwenzakalani? Brilliant defending, brilliant block. As a striker, you always don't be greedy. You draw defenders away from a penalty spot. your teammates will come running. A lot of strikers, they need to learn this. They need to learn this. Otherwise, if we don't, as a country, I'm going to see a pambi. It's been a great season, guys. Last video, Betway Premiership. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments and the members. I really appreciate you. Everyone, every single one of you who is a member. Nyabonga, guys. I'm still going to continue doing videos. Hopefully, I'll do a video where Bafana. They won't block them. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Nyabonga.